welcome back to our daily doodle session. It's the 1st of December, so I wanted to draw something Christmassy. So let's try and draw some Christmas trees. So I'll try and draw 4 different types, and I'm going to start in this corner here. Let's move on to the next one. We're gonna finish this one in a minute. And again, we're moving on to our 3rd one. And the last one is going to be very different, so this one's going to be a bit more artistic. Have a little fun with it. Okay, and completely optional, but I'm going to decorate my trees. And I'm just going to draw on some red baubles. But you could make this any color you want. And on this last one, I'm just going to add mine to the sides. There we go. So this is it. I hope you liked it. Maybe you tried it as well. Maybe you had managed to come up with a few different types. And I hope to see you again.